Hello designers and creatives, welcome back to my space. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to vectorize this brand logo using PixelLab. So this is a logo that I saw on Facebook and one of the design group owned by a brand. So I decided to vectorize it in this tutorial. So this is the profile of the owner of the brand logo in case you want to visit the profile and make a research and see. So now we are going to be vectorizing his brand logo in this tutorial. Okay, in case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video. Don't forget to turn on notification to stay updated anytime we drop a new video like this. So now we are going to proceed into the vectorization of this logo. So first of all, I need to get rid of this. Okay, and then I'm going to go here and bring out my sketch. So I already have it here. So this is my sketch. I'm going to increase the opacity so you can see clearly what I did here. So this is the sketch of the logo. Okay, and then I'm going to as well reduce it, because before you start vectorizing, first of all you need to reduce the opacity. So now after this, now I'm going to tap on my screen and then I'm going to pick my grid lines. So in this video, I'm not going to be teaching you how to use grid lines. I have created a video tutorial for that. Probably I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video, so you have to check it out first. So now I have made my grid line selection, so I don't need to work on my grid lines again. So now I'm going to get straight into the vectorization aspect. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to create one pixel opening only. So we don't need to vectorize the elements differently and then merge them up together as one. So everything we are going to vectorize them differently using just one pixel opening. So we are going to see how that is possible with PixelLab. I've discussed this in my former videos, but I'm going to touch it again so that I will show you that this is actually possible with PixelLab. Now first of all, I'm going to open the one pixel I want to use by tapping on my pixel here. Okay, and I'm going to tap on it, open it. I'm going to close my loop by tapping on this. This I also discussed in the introduction to PixelLab Browser, which is also in the description. So I'm going to click on my transformation and then start my vectorization. Now I'm going to reduce my stroke to 1. So now I'm going to start the vectorization aspect of this. So just follow me and see how I work this out now. So after this part now, I'm going to zoom back a little, okay, and then I'm going to go here, reduce my stroke, remove it entirely. Then here I'm going to go and then choose the color, which is white. So I'm not going to choose white color. Why? Because I already have a white background, so I don't want to complicate things for myself. So I can choose any other color which can give me a good contrast, right? So now after this, I'm going to go here to the top of my screen here, make a copy of this vector which I have created. So remember that we are in C1 pixel opening, so we don't have to open them differently to vectorize them. So now I'm going to click on copy to make a copy of it, and then I'm going to tap on my positioning to reposition it to where it's supposed to be. Okay, to this place. Now I'm going to click on my rotate, right? And then when you are working with rotate, keep this in mind. Then after working with your rotate, okay, don't forget that this is where you have to tap. Don't tap on this one. So if you tap on this one, you close the whole pixel and then everything will just be messed up. So you just have to tap on this and not this. Okay, so we're going to see how that works now. So I'm going to rotate. So after that, I'm going to tap on this. You see now we are still where we are. So I'm going to still click on my reposition and then drag it to this place. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in a little more and then click this, and then here I'm going to click on my transformation, right? So I'm going to tap on it just once, and now I'm going to start repositioning my pixel points. So you see how this works now. So but before I do that, now I'm going to reduce my opacity for this, so I will see my sketch behind the vector. So now I'm going to click on my transformation and then start repositioning them, the pixel points, just like I'm doing now. So now after this, now I can go back and increase my opacity. Okay, and then here I can just go back and make a copy again, click on my positioning to drag it to this point, and then my rotate, I'll rotate it like this. So now after this, now I'm going to check OK, and then here I'm going to work on this now. So you just follow me and see how this works now. So I think we are done with that. Now I'm going to go back and then increase my opacity. So now we have achieved the 3 vector just using one brings that open. So but if you observe the logo very well, you're going to discover that the inside of this logo here, we also have a vector to create here. I'm going to tap on this. So I'm going to tap on it once. When I've done that, I'm going to tap on my screen. So I've tapped on my screen, I've created a point there. So what I need to do next is to tap on another point on my screen again to create a straight line. So when I've done that, I'm going to tap at this icon to close my loop and then click on my transformation. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to close my loop, which I've closed. I'm going to tap on my transformation. So now I can transform it. It's already a circle or an ellipse, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to reduce my stroke here to around 2 or 1. Okay, now I'm going to drag them to this place so I can start vectorizing it with this. So here I'm going to start now. So after this, now I'm going to go back here and then reduce my stroke to 0 and then increase my opacity. Now I'm going to choose the same color which I applied for all of them, so which is black. So after this, now we are done with the vectorization aspect. So I'm going to zoom back and see. So now we have vectorized the 4 elements just with one browser. So now I'm going to close my browser by clicking on this, right? So I'm going to close my browser and then I have my vector. Now if we look, we are not having the 4 elements that we created differently. All of them are merged up together in one, so we don't have to stress ourselves anymore. So this is more easier, right? So after this, now I'm going to go to my color and then I'm going to select white color. So let's first of all use the brand color which the owner of the brand used. So I'm going to select white color for this, and then I'm going to first of all remove my sketch. So now I have my, then remove my grid lines. So now I'm going to go to the background tool, okay, which is this at the bottom here. So tap on it and then click on my color. Now I'm going to use the gradient which the brand owner used, so which is this. So I'm going to show you the color code for this gradient. So for this one, okay, this is the color code in case you want to use it. So you can just type it on your PixelLab and then use it, okay. And then the second color, which is this is the color code that they used here. So I'm just using it. I'm showing you in case you want to make use of this and again achieve your own gradient as well. So we are going to use it, and then this is it. So now I'm going to tap OK. So now we have got this logo just the way that the owner of the brand has it. Okay, if you observe the beginning of this tutorial, I showed you how the owner of the brand presented his logo. So now let's see how we can present this logo again. Let's think of using the gradient on the logo itself, okay, and then making the background white instead. So the background is white now. So we are going to select the logo, which has already been selected, and then go to color, and then let's use the gradient on the color on this. So this is the logo. So let's reduce it a little and see. So what do you think? I think this is a very perfect one, so if you ask me. So let's increase our sketch and see, and then let's compare and contrast. I think I love this. So this is our sketch, and then this is our vector, and then I think it makes a lot of sense. So thank you guys for watching, and then this is the end of today's tutorial, and I hope this video helps you. If it does help, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and then share this video, share this channel link to others who might want to watch and learn from us as well. Thank you for watching, and then see you on my next video tutorial. My name is Smoke Ifechukwu. They call me Son of Man. Goodbye from here. Namaste.